Hello guys, so I just brought this pen to wear. Hey, why are you making me angry? Don't disturb me, especially while recording. Otherwise, if someone making me fun or disturbing me, then I get in a bad mood. So that is why I don't like such kind of girl or boy who disturb me while especially recording. So right now actually I am taking off this jacket is because right now we are going to our corn crop to cover fertilizer. Yesterday I have given fertilizer, so that is why it's time. Today it's time to cover them, right? So that is why. Okay, so now I just brought this comfortable pant and I'm gonna work, and this pant is something, this is kind of a pant, and by wearing this pant I am feeling comfortable to work in my corn crop, right? So that is why it is necessary for me to wear while working. Right now I just brought one more hoe here, or I can call it a spade, because we were short of one hoe. So that is why right now I just brought this. Hurry up. And right now she is taking all of this trash of our house away from here. Hurry up. Okay, so I just lift two of these hoe into my shoulder, and now just in front of me there is a grandmother and he has a cane. This stick is called a cane. Cane is a stick that through someone is walking. And right now I am just in front of my home. The man is warming up in the sun. Wow, new car. So right now actually, since my sister is coming and she didn't come yet, so that is why I thought why not to warming up in the sun. And here just in front of me there are some of the vegetables or veggies. I call it veggies. It means this is actually the shorter way to say vegetables, right? First one is the mustard and lefa, I don't know what should I say in English, and potatoes crop, and coriander and garlic, and again mustard. Here this is the huge tea garden. Actually my sister is still throwing our trash. Can you guys see? And this is the guy and who is getting their pets to milk. धुनी छपा ना?
हाँ वो फिर इस गोचो इधर
किते छोरी में तो बुझेग ना. Do you know what he said? Actually he says he don't want me to like them on YouTube or anywhere in social media, right? But I'm kind of a person, I love to do these things. And by the way, nothing will happen. He just says, right? And finally I have just come to the place where I wanted to come. So now as you can see, this is the place. If you guys have watched my previous vlog, then you guys know that we were working here, means we were spreading or giving fertilizer here. I'm going to show you, right? And now as you can see, it has combined urea, DAP, potash. Okay guys, so right now we just became both, and also we have done a little area. So now as you can see, there are two sections we have done. But here guys, one thing I would say, as you can see in these three sections there are lots of weeds, right? And as you can see there are lots of weeds. There are lots of weeds as compared to our tiny plants, right? So that is why guys, it is very difficult to work here, because as you can see here there are lots of weeds than plants, right? So now as you can see, wow. Here now I'm gonna show you one thing, and guys as you can see this entire line is pretty good, right? But here as you can see there are some of the space that were destroyed, right? It's because, do you guys know the exact reason? And the reason is there, as you can see there are some of the birds and they are eating the seeds that they have put right inside the soil. So as you can see, actually guys, when it is starting to grow these seeds, and the birds some of the seeds has eaten, right? And so that is why as you can see somewhere you are not able to see the plants, right? And the reason is there, as you can see. I'm not sure you are able to see or not. As you can see there are some of the birds and they are eating the seeds. Actually I have come here to the shade of this tree is because today I am feeling a bit warm, or I got tired, right, just after working here, because it is very difficult to work here. As you can see there are lots of weeds than these plants, right? So now as you can see, that is why it takes harder to work on it, right? Okay, so again let's start working here. Okay guys, so right now I am here. I am not in my crop directly. I am on the road, and actually this time to go to the river to give water to my pets, and just after giving water I will have to bring my cow. So that is why this time to go to the river to give water and to bring my cow, the cow that gives us milk, right? And actually you might have a question, Nakul, you were working in your crop, but how you are here? Actually due to some reason I couldn't show you between. Actually guys, because of a reason I have to come here. And now okay, let me reach to the place where I am going right now. So you just guys continue watching this vlog, because even I don't know what I am going to show you next, right? So you just keep on watching. And by the way, this is the crop where my uncle has given water here, and he moved to the next crop, right? So now I'm sure you are able to see a little bit, right? Okay, I try to zoom in out, as you can see where my crops are available there. And here as you can see, there is a guy. Actually he is my uncle's son, and he loves playing Free Fire. So that is why in between in the sun he is playing Free Fire on his phone. So right now I have come to the river. So now as you can see, some of my pets have drunk water, and one of my cow didn't drink water. So that is why right now it reached to the river to drink water, and it is drinking water here. And just after drinking all of my pets, then I will tie all of my pets to this place, right? By choosing a nice place where is so much grass, right? This is the place that through yesterday we crossed, and we were going to the fair, and a bit distant there is a fair was going on. Yes, yesterday. Yes. See, as a farmer son, what all I have to do in my day-to-day life. And just after covering the fertilizer that I have given yesterday into my corn crop, and then it is another work to do today, because I don't have personal machine. So that is why I decided to work today, right? So now as you can see, just I have watered here in this area, and now just after filling with water, now move to the next one, right? Now as you can see, the water is coming here, and this section, or I can say in Hindi, a kyari. This kyari is filling with water, and just after filling, then I will move to the next one. And because of not having water in this area, this place plant that I have planted, as you can see, they are ready to destroy, right? But some of them are pretty good, now as you can see. So that is why it is necessary to not skip a day to give water here, right? So that is why we thought, no, today I have to give water. And here some of the tools that are called pipe. This is the pipe that through we get water here, right? And this is the band that is very useful. If you want to turn your water quickly, then it will help you a lot. And this is the hoe. You guys already know the name of this tool, and it has a bucket, plastic bucket, and that helps to my uncle. And actually he is spraying Lodis is because to get rid of from weeds, because his crop has, there are lots of weeds, right? And weeds, the plants or the thing that we don't want them to grow but they are still growing in our crop, that is called weeds. Means, for example, as you can see, this is the grass that I don't want them to grow but they are still growing, and to get rid of from it, the uncle is giving Lodis. Okay guys, so right now I am going home, and now you might be wondering, Nakul, who is there while you are working? Guys, instead of me, my brother is working here, or my brother is watering there into my corn crop instead me because I'm pretty hungry, so that is why right now I am going to have lunch. Guys, one more thing, as you can see, that has happened. It just broke, right? What should I say in English? If you guys know, please let us know in the comment below. But otherwise, in the next video, I will find out the meaning of how should I express this sentence if it is broken, right? So by the way, one more thing, guys, this is the end clip of this video. Means from here I would like to stop recording, because just after reaching home I already have took a bath, right? And just after freshing up, means just after washing my hand and feet, then I will have lunch, and then I am not gonna do anything. By the way, I will do, but I don't want to show you again and again same things, right? So that is why I would like to stop recording from here. So if you are still watching until it here, so please, I want you to please give me the feedback of this blog, if you learned something new or not. If yes, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of relevant content. And if you want, you can share it with at least one of your friends who are interested with learning English as you are. Okay, so that's about today, guys, and bye bye.